In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a Slack channel, a process that might sound daunting at first, but is actually quite simple once you understand the steps involved. Whether you're cleaning up an active workspace or looking to preserve valuable conversations, archiving channels helps maintain organization and focus in any Slack community you manage. So let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the necessary permissions to archive a channel. Typically, only those with admin or owner roles can perform this task, so double-check your status if you're unsure. It's always good to confirm you have the right level of access before starting, to avoid any unnecessary frustration later on. Once you've ensured you have the correct permissions, head over to the Slack application on your desktop. You'll want to navigate to the channel you plan to archive. Remember, archiving is irreversible, so take a moment to ensure this is the action you really want to take for this particular channel. It's a good idea to notify other members of the upcoming change if the channel has been active. That way they won't be caught off guard when it disappears from their lists. With the channel open, look to the top of the screen where you'll find the channel name and an arrow pointing downwards. Clicking on this arrow will open a drop-down menu. This menu hosts several options, but you'll want to scroll down until you see Additional Options. Once you're there, select the Settings and Permissions link. In the Settings and Permissions section, you'll see a button labeled Archive Channel. When you click this, Slack will prompt you with a confirmation message. This confirmation serves as a final check to make sure archiving is really what you want to do. Double-check your decision at this point. Once the channel is archived, members will lose the ability to post new messages, though all existing data will still be accessible for reference. After you've confirmed the archive action, the channel will be moved into an archived state, and it'll no longer appear in the active channel list for members. However, all previous conversations and files will remain in Slack should you need to revisit or search through past discussions. Archiving is a powerful way to declutter your workspace without losing important historical data, so it can be extremely beneficial for both small teams and large organizations. And there you have it. Archiving a Slack channel is as simple as a few clicks, yet it has a big impact on the clarity and organization of your work environment. Giving your channels a regular review and utilizing archiving when necessary can seriously streamline productivity and ensure your team remains focused on the tasks that matter most. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tips for maximizing your Slack experience.